Yeah, hi, thanks for your interest in the WhatsApp group. And today we have reached 600 plus followers to the group. Thanks for your interest on this. So a lot of people are asking different items in this. So that's why I have started my video version. So let me go to the one. So how we are doing it. So here we can see this is a group name and it's been crossed to 600 people. Thanks for your interest in this group, and we'll use effectively. And here we can see that we have a different documents which I'm sharing it. People are asking a lot of questions and they are asking me one to one, and I am trying to clarify it. And but still they are getting something. And if new joiners also just want to present it how we can. So if we are trying to do any of these payments, so you'll use the links, corresponding links, and you will go to the links and you will click it. And once the link has been clicked, it will ask me the email ID and the mobile number, and the amounts will be differing it based on the amount. It is auto changing amounts. It's going to be so every time it won't be the same amount. It will be reflecting it for the same thing. So try to do it. And the make a payment. So you can use the make a payment, and you can use either a phone pay, GPay, or Visa card, or Mastercard, or even any Google Pay. Anything you can do it. So once you have done the payment, so what will get it? You will get an email notification saying that the email has been, so the transaction has been successful, and you will get the message that the amount has been deducted from your bank account. So once it is done, so you can go back to your mail and you can check. And this is a sample mail where you will be getting it. So how it's going to be. So this is a link which you have, and it will show congratulations to purchase on this one, and you will have the login information. And here you will have access to download your content. So for example, in this case, it's a basic to intermediate question. So it will allow you to download your content. So that is how you will get the download of your document, and you can start using the document which it is there. So whatever the documents you are receiving it, please don't share to others. So make others to purchase the document. So I trust that my participants will be encouraging me to keep more by keeping a very minimal amount on these preparing the documents and all. It's been keeping a lot of effort. So at least to get it a better things. So try to ask them to purchase it by sharing the links to your referrals if you want. Or otherwise, we have another option, because people are there where they don't want to keep this much money also, where they can go back and they can get this on the release week only. So like, for example, if the document has been released in this week, so another first 2 days, I'll be giving to the participants from this. So by referring the people based on the importance of the importance of the document. So for example, here I'm taking it up the top 50 project scenarios where it will be discussed, and I'll be showing you how the design how it is being structured, and to whom it is going to useful. So every time whenever you're going to purchase any thing, so make sure whether it is useful for you. Unless it is not useful, don't waste your money. So even a rupee is valuable for everyone. So, but here in this, unfortunately, I don't have any written policy. If you have purchased it, it's your, yeah, I can't refund you. So because it's an automated process, it's a big challenge for me. So that's why I'm making it a very clear. If you want to purchase it, you can purchase it, but there is no written policy on this one. So I want to make it clear. So again, people are started assuming different ways on this slide. Actually, so what it's going to do, what it is there inside, and how it is being structured. And also just I want to give a clarity for you guys. So here is our IICS 50 project scenarios where I have been documented it and how it is going to be. So this will be giving you to the people who have referred more than 5 people for this document. So few people have already referred. Thanks for all your referrals, but for them it is going to be received freely. So it's going to have the link, and I'll be sharing to them on offline. So we'll see what it is there in this document. So I have already shared to everyone that these are the projects we have. So almost close to 50 plus project scenarios are there. So in that, if you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, and also and so projects we have, and in this, each project, how it is designed. So just I want to make it very clear. For example, here we want to see the project 60, sorry, six projects. So that is a data warehousing modernization with IICS. So how the data warehouse platform can be modernized by using this IICS. So this you can keep it in your resume by keeping the data warehouse modernization with IICS. So how you have done it, those details are there. So just I will take it up the project 6 scenario, how you can do it. So this is how it is going to be. So the project 6 is a data warehousing modernization, how you can do. So what is the description and how you are going to use it? It's a step-by-step process. So how the project initiation, so how you are going to start the project kick-off meetings and how you are going to assess the existing data and which and all areas you have to use the IICS and how you can migrate it and what are the applications you have to use it and which logics you have to use all the logics. But these all are just scenarios, but it won't have the use cases like use case only, but you can't have a detailed project explanation, I can say. So this is a high level people who to whom it is going to useful. If they are struggling to get ideas how the projects they has to keep it in their resumes, this will be awesome for them. So they can so basic to advanced level if they wanted to use it. So this document will help a lot for them. So I'll go to the further. So how the transformations, like the fourth point, if you're saying it's a data integration and how you are going to use it and how you can get the data and all, how you can optimize it by using this one, how you can implement it in real time. And after this, where it is going to be, how we are going to use the reporting tools where they are using. This is a one project cycle only. It has been explained and how it has been cost effective for your management on these areas and all. Again, we have the key responsibilities. Being a participant, what I have did it. So what areas I have done it, what I have did it. So you can explain to them in a clear cut manner and which all are the tools you have used. So if you're seeing it here, you have used the IICS with the CI, CDI with the transformations and the data warehousing, right? All the data warehousing platforms like the AWS, Synopsys, BigQuery and other, and reporting tools if you have, and data governance and how it is effective, and for monitoring what are the areas. So this is a kind of the projects. So all these projects we have it. So let me pause here and I'll show the document as well for some time. Just I'll stop for a second and I will bring the yeah, I'm sharing the document sharing again and I'll see it how it can be shown to you guys. Yeah. So this is a document which you will be receiving it and the amount I will be sharing you guys shortly and what you guys will be doing. So this is a project scenarios and where you will be having all the projects. So you can see 1 to 52 projects are there. For example, if they wanted to go for an healthcare unit and they want to get a project, or even if they want to get a HR project, or even they want to go for an e-commerce or marketing or retail, banking, HR, any project. So let me go quickly go to the other projects where I'll go to the e-marketing. So for each project, we'll have all the details. So how the description it's going to be there and how it's going to kick off the project and how you are going to start it and what is the strategy and what are the transformations you are going like what are the areas or the what are the tools you are going to use it, all those things, and the cost savings, governance, security, and your key responsibilities. So being an IICS developer, what are the items you are going to do it on this one. So this is a key tools, and in this, what are the tools you will be using it. So which tool you can use it for making this project. So this is how it is going to be. So if you don't buy unnecessarily, because every rupee should count, So if it is really struggling for the peoples to get the projects, I'll help them to purchase this and they can benefit it. If they can take it up this and they can showcase their profiles, it will be useful for them. And their responsibility is they has to go through each and every word in the projects what they are keeping it. So that means they should be very thorough in the project which they have selected it and which they want to keep it up. So just I want to show it. That's all from my side for today. So I'll stop sharing my screen. So that's all from my side. I'll stop sharing. Thanks for your support and please refer more people. Thank you.